Hi there, artists. In this video, we're going to look at doing some stenciling. For that, you're going to need a piece of paper. I'm using a piece of cereal box material, paperboard, and you're going to need something to cut with. So what I did was I've already drawn my design. I did it with a marker just so that you could see it, but you could draw it with pencil. That way, if you make mistakes, you can erase. But then once you do that, you're going to carefully cut out your design for your stencil. And then you have a positive shape, the object you drew, and you also have a negative space, one that you can use as well. The advantage of having a stencil is that then it's a shape that you can repeat over and over again. As you see on my paper, I've done that with tracing my running man a couple of times. Another alternative that you can use is you can use it to color around too. So this is kind of a sturdy material. What I can do is I can take a glue stick and I'm gonna put my glue on the back here. I'm doing it on this side that has the color on it because it's kind of a waxy material. But then what that's gonna help me do by putting that on there is that's gonna help it stick to the surface. And then I can go around and I can color around it and trace around it too. And the glue is helping me to hold my running person in place while I'm doing the coloring so that way it doesn't wiggle. One of the biggest problems that people have with using stencils is keeping that stencil in place while you're doing your work without it moving. So an easy, fun workaround with that is using a glue stick because glue sticks aren't that sticky. So I'm using that glue stick to kind of work around it, get my coloring in, and then what I can do is peel that off. I have to kind of work fast so my stencil doesn't stick. But then I've got that cool coloring around it. Then I can move this to another place and do the same thing. I hope you enjoy your stencil art. Happy making. Bye bye.